Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, rabbil alamin, wa bihi nasta'in ala umuri dunya din. Wassalatu wassalamu asrofil anbiya wassalim wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'd. Today I want to talk about tunnel. First tunnel. The introduction of tunnel. Tunnel, broadly speaking, a tunnel is the way to create a secure or private path to the internet network. By using tunnel, you can access the destination on the internet very safely. Because the tunnel, every data sent over the internet will be encrypted. Data will be ensured safe from source to destination. An example of tunnel usage is VPN or virtual private network. So VPN, simply put, is a way of accessing network securely over the internet network. The way the way a VPN works is by creating a private pathway tunnel over the internet network the to connect the source and destination very securely. VPN will encryption every data exchange that occurs between the source and the destination. And now I will tell about the tunnel GRE. Tunnel GRE. The meaning is tunnel generic routing and calculation. Is a tunneling protocol developed by Cisco Proprietary. In theory, the GRE is a point-to-point tunnel that works by encapsulating wrapping packets into another packet on each packet that is sent. So when we using GRE tunnel, the packet that sent from the source to the destination will be encryption. So the data will more safety than without using tunnels. Now we will continue to the lab. The lab is very easy. You just need to make three routers here and then two clients. Connect them. Connect with cable, and I will make a note for making easy to computer. The first part will use 10.10.0/34, 20.20.20.0/34, 192.168.10.0/34, 192.68.20.0/34, and for the tunnel IP we'll use 100.100.100.0/30. Is for the client 2, client 1. This is way to go to the internet, and this is the IP we'll use in tunnel. I will make it. Use the tunnel. The tunnel will divide the size of the tunnel. First thing first, we configure the first pixel on the top here. Here, cell I no. This is the router to the internet. I will make the name so one, and we going to the interface 0/0. No shutdown IP address. This is the FA 0/0. We'll use the IP address 20.20.20.1. The subnet is 255.255.5.0, and interface FA 0/1. No shutdown IP address. We use the 10.10. 10.10.10.1 subnet 255.255.0 enter or shoot out. Okay, we continue to the second router in the left and we'll change the name. So enable config terminal host name router 2 5 interface FA0/0 is connected to the client. We use IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0 run shutdown and then interface FA0/1 and connect the second router in the left to the first router on the top. Interface or IP address 10.10.10.2 the subnet 255.255.255.0 and no shootout. And we configure next to the router on the right side, third router on the right, third router on enable config terminal, router 3, the right. And interface FA0/0 it connects to the client IP address 192.168.20.1 slash 24 is the subnet is 255.255.255.0 or shutdown and interface FA0/1 it connects the right router to the top to the first IP address 20.20.20.2 255.255.255.0 turn on shutdown. After that, we come back to the first router. We configure the root routing AGRP, EIGRP. It's a kind of dynamic routing. We just need to register the network that the router have, which is AGRP 10 network 10.10.10.0 with the subnet equals 5.55.0 network 20.20.20.0 and 255.255.255.0 and the left router we also configure the routing dynamic router with EIGRP and then we use the same autonomous system because it's EIGRP, not SPF. For SPF, we use the different ID, but in routing EIGRP, we use the same autonomous system. After and we just register the network that connect to the each router in this like 10.1.9.0 like 255.155.155 and okay, and the right side is same with the router A, the ERGRP10. The network also we just register the network that connect the third router to the first router. So 20.20.20.0, 255.255, 155.0. Why? We didn't register the network that connect to the client because we use we will put the client with the static root, but the gateway we use the tunnel gateway. and set in the left router. We continue to the interface tunnel. We write interface tunnel 1 and IP address 100.100.100.1 255.255.255.252 because we use slash 30 and then enter and we write the source uh, oh shit, tunnel source. We use the tunnel source is for the first router. We use the interface that connect the second router to the first router. It will be the source. We write FA0/1 and then the tunnel destination. We use the um, IP address. Yes, we use um, sorry for the yeah, tunnel destination. We use the IP address that we use the IP address in the network that connect the router to the internet. We use if we configure in the first router, we use the tunnel destination is the IP address in the uh, that use in router 2, but the IP address is used to connect the third router to the internet. So we use 20.20.20.2 enter and in the right router same interface okay. Interface channel 1 enter IP address 100.100.100.2 255.255.252 and then enter uh, we write again tunnel source is the interface that the router used uh, to connect itself to the internet. We use FA0/1 and then enter. We write tunnel destination. Tunnel destination, I repeat again. Tunnel destination is the IP address that use use in um, the router. The router that connect to the internet. So if you configure on the right router, the tunnel destination is the IP address that connect to the internet in the second router. The the different router tunnel destination is 10.10.10.2. Enter. Then exit. For the first, we check the IP route first to show IP. Oh, sorry. After configure the interface tunnel, we must do the static route. In the first I say why we didn't use the dynamic routing for routing the first client to the second client. We need in here we need uh, routing with the static routing because we will use the gateway is the tunnel. So the command is IP route 190. This is the left router 192.168.20.0. The subnet 255.255.255.0 and the gateway it use the IP tunnel that used in the router too. So we write 100.100.100.2 user, and the right router we also do the static root IP root 192.168.10.0 to subnet 255.255.255.0, and the gateway is using the IP tunnel that used in the second router on the left. So we write 100.100.100.1, and then we check again to show IP root. And that is already the dynamic one, and the static also. We check in the right router to show IP root and correctly save. For the checking, we open the first client. We input the IP address 192.168.10.2. The gateway, we use um the same network that used in the router. So 192.168.10.1. That and then the second client also we do the same 192.168.10 point 20.2 the subnet, and gateway also use the same network, but the IP address it's used in the router 192.168.20.1. The first client we open desktop and command prompt. We write trace sorry transfer to the second client 192.168.20.2, and Google coding for the first time a bit time out. We check to the second EC2 second client browser 192.168.10.2, and the result is like this. The result is for trace the for looking the where the data use the where the path that the data used um to deliver the data use the gateway 192.168.20.1, and also use the GRE tunnel 100.100.1, and using 192.168.10.2. The GRE tunnel is already done. So I will summary the interface tunnel that we consider in the first, right? In the interface tunnel. The interface tunnel is to create a tunnel interface with a number 1. The IP address. Install an IP address on the tunnel. Tunnel source internet, our routing interface that leads to the internet, and the tunnel destination is the IP address of the opposing tunnel router interface that leads to the internet. Yeah. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.